So, firstly, I'll discuss today with the physiological changes during pregnancy for this class. So, let's see. Physiological changes during pregnancy. So, before telling you the in-depth system-wise changes, what happens during the physiological changes during the pregnancy, before that, I'll just explain you what are the hormones which trigger these changes and what are the functions. I'll just tell you. So now. Make sure you understand what I'm telling. Women with pregnancy. Right? So now. Yes, this is one side of uterus, and then next connected with ovary. Right? See now, I'll just explain you. So from where the ovaries secrete hormones, and from where these hormones, how the hormones trigger these changes during pregnancy. Yes. So now. Yes, this is one side, and here I'll just show you the graphical representation. Yes, months pregnant. Zero. Yes. Hormones. And now, see the three major hormones, for the entire pregnancy period, three are the major hormones regulates. Those are number one, with estrogen, and number two, progesterone, and number three is beta HCG. Right? So these are the three major hormones that regulate entire changes during pregnancy. I'll just discuss how these hormones will, they rise up and fall up when they are. I'll tell you. So during the initial stages, this beta HCG is secreted from the placenta. This beta HCG initially during the first 3 months it increases, then gradually it decreases. Clear? This is a graphical representation where beta HCG will increase then decrease. So then next from the ovary progesterone and estrogen is secreted. I'll just discuss first one. Estrogen is initial stages, it rises and completely it rises up for the entire 9 months period. Estrogen and progesterone looks raised up. So I'll just draw both of them. Yes. So initial stages, both estrogen and progesterone, both the hormones raise up, and after the birth of fetus, then after the delivery, after the NVD or LSES, both the hormones drop down. Yes. After the 9 months gestation completed, after the completion of entire gestation week and after the delivery, both hormones drop down, and as well as these physiological changes, what the reason why they are secreting is to insert some changes within our body, right? To regulate some changes within our body. So after the delivery, those changes are not necessary. So those hormones drop down. Then next, this is what some calculation and graphical representation of 3 hormones.